The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Elysian Head Spa. Elysian Head Spa has a brand new space and treatments available for Mother's Day. Katie Wills and Laura Kirby, co-founders of the space, are here to tell us more today. And Katie, we're going to start with you. For anyone who hasn't heard of a head spa before, tell us a little bit about it and why it's so popular right now.
So what it is best described as a facial for your scalp. We really want it to be very relaxing, but also pretty therapeutic. So a lot of people come in and they have questions or they just have scalp concerns. So we want to address not only the relaxation, but also help them have healthier scalps and better hair.
Natural hair like this, absolutely gorgeous. If this is a testament, I'm impressed. And Laura, if we can, let's brag on Katie for a second, because there are head spas in some places around the country, but not necessarily always run by a medical professional.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we love and we're really proud of Katie's background. She's a nurse practitioner and certified trichologist. So a lot of other head spas, while maybe really relaxing, what we're proud of is it's really rooted in science, clinical data, and facts. So everything that we do is really, really intentional.
Let's talk about why this is such a great gift for Mother's Day.
Yeah, so we're offering $300 worth of services for $200. It's very relaxing, gives mothers, moms an hour to themselves or more if they choose to. And it's a great opportunity just to relax. So we've seen a lot of pairings come in, mother-daughter.
Super relaxing atmosphere. And Katie, we talked a little bit about hair restoration at the top, but can you tell us about Folix and what it's for?
I have an FDA cleared laser called the Folix, and what it does is it actually helps the follicle health, giving you better, thicker, fuller hair, which, you know, a lot of people like that. It's indicated for people with mild to moderate hair loss, and it works really well. We've had great results. We live in very stressful times. Our lives are stressful. So what I do is I offer a consultation, and sometimes even in the consultation, we can uncover some things that are going on and contributing that they hadn't really thought before, or maybe their provider or dermatologist hadn't even thought to ask. So sometimes it's not just a one-size-fits-all that's the laser that's the solution. Sometimes it's more comprehensive or holistic, so we offer that as well.
And this is the benefit of having a medical professional in the mix. Okay, Laura, if someone is watching today and thinking this sounds absolutely amazing, how can they book and take advantage of your Mother's Day special?
Absolutely, we can go online. We have descriptions of services. You can look on our Instagram, on our TikTok, or just call us. But you can find us about all those different places. But if you have some questions and really want to understand what you're gifting, it's easiest to call.
Really cool concept too.
Thank you.
I'm so excited. I'd never heard of it before
Thank you.
today. We appreciate your time. Thank you all so much.
Thank you so much.
Appointments and Mother's Day gift cards are available now at ElysianHeadSpa.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Elysian Head Spa.